Hello friends, you are most welcome to Creative Art Studio of Fehmi's. This is Fehmi the Heather from Nagpur, and today I am going to show you how to convert our crockery plates or dishes, plain dishes, into an amazing art piece like blue pottery. This was a plain plate which has been handcrafted into this beautiful blue roses and blue pottery, you can say. So come on, let's start. See, first we created the border with the blue pen, and these are alcohol ink pens. We will draw the inner design also and then give some textures with the brush using some thinner, NC thinner, which is also available in the market. And see, beautiful blue pottery plate is created. Now I'll show you some colored plates. I have a set of these small plates, 6 plates, which I'll arrange it and use it as a set of 6. Create some beautiful flowers. See, these are some other plates which I have created. I am giving you a close-up. The pen gives beautiful textures if we use it correctly and properly. So please friends, subscribe Fehmi's Art channel, share it and like it, and stay tuned for some more of these amazing art ideas which will be given in my next video. This is the custom made for my client. If you want to learn these amazing art forms, we are there as Fehmi's Art in Nagpur, and my address is down there in the description box.